Welcome everyone to When India's live session. We wish everyone a very happy Navratri 2021. Today's second day of Navratri is the day of goddess Brahmacharini and suggested color of the day is green and white. The goddess walks barefoot with a Rudrakshamala in one hand and Sekad Kamandalu in the other hand. The meditative form of this goddess symbolizes Goddess Parvati when she engaged in her deep meditation to please Lord Shiva. या देवी सर्वभूतेषु ब्रह्मचारिणी रूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः. Before we begin today's session, I would like to mention When India Awards 2021 are scheduled on 19th November 2021 and the registration for the same are closing soon. So you have not applied yet, apply today. The link will be shared in the comment section and back to today's session, Nari Shakti. Our guest for today's session is a dynamic iron lady, Geeta Geeta Priya. Geeta Priya is fondly known as Geet or Geeta. She has 15 plus years of professional experience. Her pain is her power, is what she believes. She has been writing in different niches and coaching individuals in mindfulness and mental fortitude and helping them to embrace and accept the authenticity that they have in them. Besides, she also a director of Pratithi Welfare Foundation where she transmits smiles through several programs. She calls herself a warrior princess while others call her Iron Lady, Jhansi Ki Rani, etc. That's not enough. She has got this never die attitude. She is suffering multiple organ injuries and have survived organ failures herself. She has named herself as God owns child. Welcome, Geeta.
Thank you, Sejal. Thank you for hosting me here on this day, especially on the day of Navratri. And I'm
Yes.
obliged, I'm honored to be here.
Thank you so much. So to begin, we all will like to know why are you called Iron Lady?
I was not Iron Lady when I was a child or when I was in my early 20s. It just happened that, maybe life happens to everyone, right? So it just happened to me as well. And from that, that gullible child to I became a kind of a ferocious woman and started taking everything in my stride. And with, I'm like, you are challenging me, come on, give me challenge. So that was the spirit I started, I started developing. And since then I have won many battles in life, including what you said. So people call me Iron Lady for that. And I accept all the challenges. It's not that mujhse nahi hoga is not, I don't say that. I say that yes, God has given me this. That means He has given me that power to handle as well. So that's why people fondly call me Jhansi Ki Rani, or Iron Lady.
Amazing, amazing. So how did you and your family handle the situation when came to know about organ injuries, Geeta?
Well, when I organ failure happened to me when I was just married and I was just 25-year old. I was some 4 months into marriage. Um, Suddenly, I was sent, something, things turned out very, unexpected, and I was shifted to Leelavati, Mumbai, and all that. And obviously, for a parent, it was quite difficult to accept that the child is going to go. And especially when the child is just married and she's just begin her life. So parents were quite worried and quite uh, they were of this thought that हमने कभी किसी का बुरा नहीं किया, हमारे साथ हमारे बच्चे के साथ क्यों हो रहा है, भले ही हमारे साथ हो जाए. So that was the mindset of parents. And doctors were said, doctors said, call all your relatives, and all relatives had to come because there was no hope for me to survive. But then I was that whenever someone would come to see me in the ICU, I would say, रो क्यों रहे हो यार, तुम लोग जाओ ना. I mean, I will come back. That was the attitude that I had. I knew that something is wrong with me, something is drastically wrong with me. And because the entire system was, I was piped from all, pipes were running from all the sides. यूरिन के लिए पाइप, ब्रीदिंग के लिए पाइप, उसके लिए पाइप, सब हर जगह से पाइप था. But yet I was saying, don't cry, I'll come back. And I think that kept me, is like, मुझे मुझे हमेशा यही लगा कि it's a phase. I'm here, but I will go back. Wherein बाकी सबको लगा कि ये नहीं बचने वाली है. Even my
बट आपका
husband
विल
was in
पावर
the
स्ट्रांग था.
US at that time. Yeah, so my husband was in the US. He had to come back. My brother was posted in the US. He had to come back. Everyone was worried कि ये लड़की का क्या हो. She's just 25-year-old child and girl. But I was like, I used to call up everyone कि मैं आ जाऊंगी, डरो मत.
Really, hats off to you. Willpower, your willpower is very strong. And one more thing, Geeta, just when and why you started Pratiti.
Pratiti, see, I was a child who had this sharing habit right from childhood. Uh, Obviously, I have a sibling, but then at that time my sibling was in another city, and वो पढ़ रहा था नानी के पास, नाना नानी के पास. So I was with my parents. However, I always had that कि मुझे जो मिल रहा है, I am blessed. There are
That's true.
many children, many people, and मेरे साथ एक ऐसा चीज हुआ, we had a घर के पास एक ओल्ड एज होम था. So I have always felt that although मैंने नाना नानी देखा, नाना नानी के साथ खेली हूँ, सब कुछ करा, but I was not blessed enough to see both of them, दादा and दादी. So दादा तो खैर मेरे भाई ने भी नहीं देखा है. So what I used to do is I used to, मम्मी जो बनाती थी घर में, वो लेकर जाके मैं ओल्ड एज होम में बैठ जाती थी. So it all began there, like the childhood thing. So उसके बाद वो adulthood में भी, if I see you in distress, my heart will not say that ignore her.
तो बचपन से
So
आपके इसमें
that
वो
attitude
ह्यूमैनिटी.
went second day. हाँ, वो बचपन से था. एंड मैं किसी को डिस्ट्रेस में देख नहीं सकती. और मैंने ये हमेशा अपने बल पे जितना भी सिंगल हैंडेडली हम कर सकते हैं, वो हमेशा किया है. Whether it was lockdown, first lockdown, second lockdown, or whatever, या before lockdown as well. अगर मेरे पास कोई बच्चा आके, मैं रास्ते में जा रही हूँ और एक बच्चा आके भीख मांगे, मैं बोलूंगी मैं पैसे नहीं दूंगी तुझे, मैं खाना खिलाऊंगी.
वाह.
So I would take that child to the nearest restaurant or eatery and feed that child. वो मेरे में था. So and when second COVID wave चला, at that time I was like सब बिजनेस लगा रखा. जब लोग नहीं बचेंगे, हम बिजनेस करके क्या करेंगे?
That's true. That's
So
true.
it is my duty to save people. When I save my countrymen, only then I'll be able to do business with them, right? So लोग ही नहीं बचेंगे तो हम क्या business करेंगे? So I put halt to my business for 15 days, and I said I'm going to take it up, and I am going to see मेरे एज अ सिटीजन मुझसे जो बनता है मैं करूंगी. सो आई फाउंड आउट हॉस्पिटल्स, ब्लड डोनेशंस एंड ऑल दैट. तो उस टाइम पे आई एम एन इन्फ्लुएंसर काइंड ऑफ पर्सन ऑन लिंक्डइन, सो आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ कनेक्शंस एंड वो मतलब मुझ पे बहुत भरोसा करते हैं. तो वो जो मेरे कनेक्शन हैं उन्होंने मुझे इतना सपोर्ट किया, इतना सपोर्ट किया, आई कांट टेल यू. दे वर लाइक यू फीड पीपल. आई वांटेड टू फीड पीपल जिन जो लॉकडाउन से अफेक्टेड थे. राशन नहीं मिल रहा था, खाना नहीं मिल रहा था, कुत्तों को नहीं खाना मिल रहा था बिकॉज लॉकडाउन वाज देयर. So they started funding me. They said instead of funding some other unknown people, we will fund you. Since we know you that the funds will not be wasted or will not go in wrong hands. So that's when
That's
people started funding me, and I thought अगर ये फंड्स को मैं एक अच्छे से एनजीओ को स्टार्ट करके फंड्स कलेक्ट करके और बड़े लेवल पे करूं, तो आज मैं 1,000 लोगों के लिए किया है, तो कल मैं शायद 10,000 लोगों के लिए कर सकती हूँ.
yes.
So that was that thing that said to me, okay, it's time that you start an NGO. And I am at this stage, जब मेरे बच्चे बड़े हो रहे हैं, like they are in teens. So I thought, जब बच्चे बड़े हो जाते हैं, जब आपका नेस्ट भी खाली हो जाता है, so you get into several thoughts and you get into a depressive mode. This will be something which will keep me going until I am alive. So that's the
In
thing.
yes, सोचते तो सब है बट इनिशिएट करना इट्स बिग थिंग. मीन्स
Correct.
आपने सोचा एंड दैट अप्लाई किया, इनिशिएट लिया अपने आप में, वही बहुत बड़ी चीज होती है.
So that was the thing. Pratiti Welfare Foundation was started.
वाओ. एंड व्हाट डू यू थिंक keeps you going?
Oh, well, it's me that keeps me going. Like I said, मुझे कहीं बाहर की मोटिवेशन की ज़रूरत नहीं है. मुझे ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई मुझे आके इंस्पायर करे, या आई नीड सेल्फ मोटिवेशन और समथिंग फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. इट्स जस्ट मी. मतलब मैं हमेशा सोचती हूँ कि यार मैंने इतना कुछ हैंडल किया है लाइफ में, तो मैं कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ. If I have handled so many things in life, and I can also handle, I can do anything that I want.
Yes. So any woman
So
inspire
the
you?
motivation comes from within.
Any woman inspires you?
Any woman, like I would say it's my mother, because I have seen her, हमारी हमारे मेरे हमारे हमारा ट्रांसफर होता था हर हर 1 साल में, हर 6 महीने में. And Papa used to get transferred, and we used to get stuck up in school, because of schoolings and all that. So my mother had several times my mother had to play a role of father and a mother, and she was her. It was her. I've seen her very bold. बचपन से मैंने
Yes.
उनको हर चीज़ को हैंडल करते देखा. सो मे बी दैट इज़ द थिंग दैट हैज़ कम इन मी एज़ अ जेनेटिक्स.
Yes.
So
एक
I
माँ
would
से.
say it's my in if you ask me a woman, it is my mother that she inspires me. She has inspired me. Although अभी भी active हैं for her age.
वाओ. बट ये तो सही बात है कि हमारी मॉम्स अभी भी इतनी एक्टिव है जितने हम नहीं है.
करेक्ट.
Really we
अभी
see
भी
that.
मम्मी सुबह से लेकर शाम तक पूरा घर संभाल लेती हैं. मैं तो लाइक एक खाना बना लो तो थक जाती हूँ.
That's true. So और वही उन्हीं को देख के हम लोग इंस्पायर होते हैं कि मेरी माँ तो इस एज में भी इतना कर सकती है, तो why
हाँ.
we not?
करेक्ट.
Yes.
करेक्ट.
So do every nari has that inner strength? How can anyone understand their inner power?
See, I believe yes, we all do. We all have that inner strength in us. It's just that we don't realize that I was a child. मैं खुद ऐसी बच्ची थी जो कभी किसी को I was not bold enough. I was kind of a very meek or a timid kind of a person when I was a child. तो मुझे अगर कोई किसी ने बुली कर दिया ना, तो मैं बैठ के रोती थी. I used to cry and I used to go and tell my mom that कि मम्मी मुझे बुली करा है, ऐसा किया है, वैसा किया. मुझे उस सिचुएशन को हैंडल करना नहीं आता था. But when you get out of that parental umbrella, when things start happening to you and you have no other option कि आपको करना ही है,
Yes.
that's when you develop that inner strength. And believe me, trust me, when you say to yourself कि मैं कर सकती हूँ, the day your life starts changing there.
यस, यस, ये आपने बहुत सही बोला है.
And
करेक्ट.
it's not that हमें ना, मुझे लगता है we should stop looking for validation from people, that मैं ऐसे करूंगी तो मेरे भाई को अच्छा लगेगा, पापा को अच्छा लगेगा, हस्बैंड को अच्छा लगेगा, सोसाइटी को अच्छा लगेगा. वी आर नॉट, सी वी हैव टू रिस्पेक्ट द लॉ ऑफ द लैंड. वी हैव टू रिस्पेक्ट आवर फैमिलीज, जो भी कर रहे हैं सोच समझ के कर रहे हैं. बट एट द सेम टाइम वी शुड नॉट बी थिंकिंग कि मैं, चार लोग क्या कहेंगे, लोग क्या सोचेंगे. As long as we are not doing anything out of anything illegal, I
ट्रू,
believe
ट्रू, ट्रू.
कि हम
हमें वो आउट ऑफ बॉक्स से निकलना ही पड़ेगा, तभी वी कैन डू एनीथिंग.
correct. So I don't care about what people think of me. I don't care about what opinion people have about me. I know my conscience knows what I am doing. I know मेरी वजह से मेरी फैमिली में क्या असर, मेरे हर मूव की वजह से मेरे फैमिली में क्या असर पड़ रहा है. As long as my family is not hurt, or
दैट्स
I'm
ट्रू.
okay with it.
नाइस,
So
अमेजिंग.
that's the thing I feel we should all do.
Yes, absolutely. So, what do you think your career change in you? Do you think it changed you as a person?
Yes, it did a lot. It changed me a lot in terms of. See, I am now into coaching. I am also into writing, and like I said, when I was a child, or when I was a adolescent, even in my 20s, I was not quite expressive, like quite क्या बोल सकते हैं सर, not in exactly expressive. म- मुझे डर लगता था कि no, what will be the repercussion of doing so and so, being expressive or being so. I would say this coaching and this writing has made me very expressive. And coaching has also made me kind of how to deal with life, which is like come what may. जब तक कॉन्शियंस के साथ चल रहे हैं, लाइक आई सेड, जब तक कॉन्शियंस के साथ चल रहे हैं, वी आर गुड टू गो. And coaching has also done a lot of काफी. पहले मुझे ऐसा होता था कि आई यूज्ड टू गेट एंग्री एंड आई वाज नॉट अवेयर ऑफ माय एंगर. मैं कुछ भी बोल देती थी, कुछ भी कर देती थी. अब ऐसा नहीं है मैं संत बन गई हूँ या बाबा बन गई हूँ. आई डू गेट एंग्री, बट आई एम अवेयर दैट कि अगर मैं कुछ करूंगी तो इसका रिpercussion क्या होगा. So it has made me quite, quite
Patience level,
matured
yes.
in terms of thinking, in terms of being expressive, at the same time, not hurting anyone.
So patience
But
level.
yes, my writings are quite bold and they do hurt people. So उसके लिए मुझे बहुत see opinions differ. I respect that
Yes.
opinion also. So
That's
मेरे
your points of
बोल्ड
point of
राइटिंग
view.
मेरी बोल्ड राइटिंग की वजह से मुझे सुनना भी पड़ता है काफी लोगों से, दैट्स ओके.
Yes. लेकिन सबके point of view अलग होते हैं.
करेक्ट, करेक्ट.
Yes.
See, what suits you does not suit me, but it's okay, right?
Absolutely true. Yes. What would you tell young women who are just starting to work, or what would you like them to know?
I would tell them that सबसे पहले तो डोंट फियर एनीथिंग. फियर, जब तक फियर रहेगा ना, यू विल नॉट एक्सप्लोर योर स्ट्रेंथ.
Yes.
Fear is one thing which will not let you. The best thing is to face the fear.
Yes. मैं कैसे करूँगी?
कैसे
मैं कर
करूँगी?
पाऊँगी या
ये
नहीं कर
मुझसे, हाँ,
पाऊँगी?
ये मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा, दिस इज़ आउट ऑफ माय स्कोप, दिस इज़ मैंने कभी पहले किया नहीं है. जब तक आप नहीं करोगे उस चीज़ को, आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि आपका स्ट्रेंथ क्या है? व्हाट कैन यू डू? व्हाट इज़, यू नो, you will not know your strengths. So वो कंफर्ट ज़ोन जो बना के रखते हैं ना हम, it's not just women, even men have their own comfort zones. सो वो कंफर्ट जोन से जब तक हम बाहर नहीं निकलते हैं, वो फियरलेस, फियर नहीं छोड़ते हैं, until then we will not be able to, you know evolve, or come out, be bold enough to face anything, whether it is professionally or whether it is personally.
That's true. वो fear हम लोगों को सब में कहीं ना कहीं छोड़ना
Correct,
पड़ेगा.
correct, like I said, if, just make sure that you are following law of the land.
Yes. Correct. And what change do you think are still needed in the society to make it a safe place for women to work?
See, for me, I am. There are two things which I feel we still need to change in terms of pehle to judgment, judging a woman that okay, she if she's bold, she's bold enough to go out with me, which is not right. I am bold enough does not mean that I am bold enough to invite you, and go out with you.
Yes.
That has to change from the men point of view, or you know other gender point of view, even same gender. Some same gender also think that she bold dressing करती है, bold बोलती है, that means she must be going around with guys, which is not true.
Remove wrong judgment from your mind.
करेक्ट. सो दैट्स वन थिंग. एंड सेकेंडली मुझे लगता है आज की डेट में सोशल मीडिया में जो रॉन्ग फेमिनिज्म का झंडा गाड़ रहे हैं ना हम, that has to change. See, being modern is different than being, like, be modern. Have your own opinions, have your own culture, whatever, your own boundaries. बट ऐसा ना करो कि किसी और सेक्ट को या किसी कम्युनिटी को और या किसी जेंडर को आप हर्ट कर रहे हो.
That's true.
सो फेमिनिज्म हैज टू बी a balanced thing. It has to be, you have gone through as a woman certain things, I have gone through, and we all agree upon certain point. However, it is not that we hurt the other gender just to prove our point.
Yes.
So like, the latest thing what I see is, feminism. एक एग्जांपल देना चाहूंगी मैं. अगर
हाँ
आप
जी.
देखोगे आजकल का जो फेमिनिज्म है, सी फॉर देम एवरीथिंग इज अब्यूज, ठीक है. हस्बैंड ने डांट दिया, इट इज अब्यूज। ऐसा नहीं है, हस्बैंड वाइफ के बीच में झगड़े और आर्ग्यूमेंट्स होना इट्स कॉमन विथ अस, ठीक
Yes.
है। या डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस इज समथिंग विच इज अब्यूज। सो वो लोग आजकल रॉन्ग एडवाइस देते हैं, ओके नो यू डोंट बी विद दिस गाय, go for divorce. See, divorce is not the end of, you know, divorce. Find a
Solution.
solution to it. Divorce is the last option. You can do couple therapy, you can do counseling, you can work on your marriage. ऐसी कोई शादी नहीं है जिसमें स्ट्रगल नहीं हुआ है।
True.
Our parents have struggled, but they are 50 now, almost 40 50 years into their marriage.
But
So
at the
my
end of the
point
time, they
is,
are very.
don't give wrong ideas about marriage or relationships, or anything for that matter. Tell them that, balanced idea दो। अगर आप कुछ नहीं दे सकते ना, बोलो काउंसलर के पास चले जाओ।
True. But आजकल तो छोटा भी argument होता है and they come up with the I'm not flexible with
Yeah,
this.
right, exactly. I someone said, मेरा और मेरे हस्बैंड का झगड़ा हो गया, उसने बोल दिया घर से निकल जा, तो मैं घर से बाहर आ गई। मैंने कहा यार, ऐसे तो हमारा जब भी होता है, हम तो ऐसे एक दूसरे को बोलते हैं। It's common in anger, but they don't mean it. Even we don't mean anything to them. आप
Yes.
देखो, आप देखोगे, आपके आपका इन अ रिलेशनशिप, whether it is with your mother, your father, your brother, you all fight. Next day you all are good, right?
Yes.
बचपन से होता है, हम बचपन से भाई और बहन के साथ लड़ते हैं।
Yes.
सो पेरेंट्स के साथ, देयर हैव बीन टाइम्स व्हेन वी हैव नॉट, जब हम टीन्स में थे, हैव वी एग्रीड टू एवरीथिंग व्हाट आवर पेरेंट्स सेड?
No. We argue.
We argued, we were rebel,
Yes.
but that is a parent, अगर हम वो इम्पोर्टेंस और प्यार अगर इसको दे सकते हैं, पेरेंटल लव को दे सकते हैं, वी कैन वर्क ऑन एनीथिंग, अनलेस इट इज अ डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस और एक्सट्रीम अब्यूज।
Yes.
So that's what I feel we as a society needs to change, uh, when it is, about women.
Yes. You are correct. So, any message for our viewers, Geeta?
Well, not much, and I just want to say, just be glorious, and don't find inspiration from external sources. Just find the inspiration from yourself, because अगर आपने इतना लाइफ देखा है, तो आप आगे का भी देख सकते हैं। It's just matter of inner strength, and that's about it. And have a glorious Navratri, and may God bless you all.
Very nice, very nice. Thank you so much, Geeta, for joining us today. And we wish you
Thank you so
and
much,
the
Sejal, for hosting me. It's my honor again. Thank you so much.
and we wish you and the team of Pratiti Welfare Foundation all the very best. And may you all keep doing such a
Thank you.
wonderful work.
I too wish
And
you the best for when upcoming programs of when. Thank you.
yes, thank you so much, viewers. Thank you so much, Geeta ji. We wish you again a
Thank you.
very happy Navratri. We will be back tomorrow at 4 o'clock. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.